Hi, I'm Thomas Yee, founder of Bay Fine Strings Violin Shop, and I'm here to introduce a new tailpiece. It's the Stradpet titanium alloy tailpiece, and I'm going to be putting it on a Gagliano violin that currently has a Pernambuco tailpiece on it. So anyways, we're going to do a direct comparison of the actual instrument. So here we go. Here's a little sound sample to have you hear it. Okay, now we're going to swap out the tailpiece to another one, to the titanium one, and here I go. I think I just got the tie on the first try. Okay, now there it is. Titanium tailpiece on a Gennaro Gagliano. Hope you enjoyed hearing that little demo there with a Pernambuco to titanium tailpiece swap. If you enjoyed listening to that and seeing this video, please follow me and Bay Fine Strings Violin Shop on Instagram and also this YouTube channel. And I'll look forward to seeing you and adding more things. And please feel free to ask any questions. Happy to answer things for you.